friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show one more Vinyasa flow or yoga flow. You can watch my other video also on the Vinyasa flow. This will help you to focus your mind, and lot of balance is required. So whoever is used to yoga for more than 6 months, who are practicing regularly and body is very flexible, can try this. This kind of Vinyasa flow or yoga flow is very challenging. At the same time, it will be very interesting to do. Like other than routine yoga, if you try this will be very interesting and challenging, and at the same time, a lot of focus and balance is required. So it will be very good to control body and mind. Okay, so let's start. Don't forget to do warm up before starting this. Stand in front of your mat, separate your legs hip distance, take a deep breath in. Breathing out, bending from the hips, fall forward. Fold your hands and hang. Lengthen your spine. Loosen your spine, hang yourselves. Shake your body. Hands down. Step back, one leg at a time. To down dog. Push ahead towards your knees. Take a deep breath in, right leg up. Bend and stretch. Prepare your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the right leg front and rise up into high lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close palms. Now turn your left foot perpendicular and come up into warrior 1. You can make angle with the right knee. Stretch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch hands into warrior 2. Shift your hips left side. 1. This angle, as much you are comfortable, you want to make it more or little angle, it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand on the left leg. Stretch back into reverse warrior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Take your right elbow on the right knee. Stretch left hand over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your right hand down in front of the right foot. Extended angle. Opening hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your left hand back, right hand under the right thigh, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down. Take your right leg back into plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbows down, come down into elbow plank. Tight tummy. 1, no lifting. Engage your core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up into plank and take a Vinyasa. Chaturanga Cobra. And down dog. Push your head towards your knees. If you want, you can pedal your legs. Shake your hips, shake your head, relax here. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll repeat with the other leg. Deep breath in, left leg up. Bend and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Bring your left foot front between hands if possible. Adjust your back leg and rise up into high lunge. 1, 2, 3. Deep breathing always. 4, 5. Now turn your right foot perpendicular. Shift your hips front. And stretch hands into warrior 1. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch hands and twist your hips right side into warrior 2. Look at the front hand. Fingertips. 1, 2, 3. Deep breathing. 4, 5. Right hand on the right leg. Stretch back into reverse warrior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Left elbow on the left knee. Right hand over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand in front of your left foot. Stretch hand, extend with angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand take back and left hand under the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down. Take your leg back into plank. Again plank. Engage your core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbows down. 1, 2, tight tummy. 3, deep breathing. 4, 5. Come up into plank. Take a deep breath in. Chaturanga. Cobra. Down dog. Pedal your legs. Shake your head. Keep breathing. Relax here. Now separate your legs to the edges of mat. Walk your hands back and sit into Malasana. Open your hips. Push your knees with the help of your elbows. Palms in Namaskar Mudra. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spread your fingers. Take your hands to the edges of mat. Okay, now bring your head in the center. Not in the center of your hands, just above the hands in a triangle form. Breathe in, bring your head down, lift your hips first, head down, and rest your knees on your elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly come up, stretch your legs, breathe in, breathing out. Bend over your knees, straight legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, take your palms back, turn your fingers in, and breathe in. Push your hips up, lift your hips up into reverse plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down, bend the knees and relax. Stretch one leg at a time, relax in Shavasana. You can see your heartbeat is up. You already start sweating. Deep breathing, relax completely. Turn right side Take a deep breath on the right side. Support your hands down and lift yourselves up. Okay. So this was Vinyasa flow or yoga flow or yoga sequence. So this kind of sequences will be very challenging and also a lot of focus, a lot of balance. So your body and mind will be controlled. Play the video and practice with me and do with me. It will be very interesting, and do write to me in the comment section whether you followed or not and how was your experience. Okay friends, do follow this kind of Vinyasa flow or yoga flow and challenge yourselves and make your life more interesting. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Namaste.